I would like to wish you a happy Youth Work Week to people all over Wales. This week is a wonderful opportunity to celebrate the fantastic achievements of our youth workers over the last 12 months, and what a 12 months it has been. I have been so impressed with how youth workers all over Wales have rallied to support our young people during these extraordinarily difficult times. I know from my own experience how valuable youth work is to the lives of our young people. Of course, the sector continues to develop and change, but the core values remain. Youth work enables young people to establish trusted relationships with adults and with their peers, standing alongside during the difficult business of growing up, helping them build resilience and supporting them to be the best they can be. Youth work in all its forms has a significant role to play in helping our communities recover from the pandemic. We all want to build a sustainable future for youth work services in Wales, ensuring that all our young people can benefit from a strong, diverse and vibrant youth work sector. Diolch yn fawr for all it is that you do, and please enjoy the week.